the best red chilaquiles you will ever try. The recipe is so simple. We're going to need tomatoes, a couple of peppers, a little bit of cilantro, onion, and garlic. And the rest of the ingredients I will be telling you during the video. We're going to place some foil in a griddle, and we're going to place all of our stuff here in this griddle. Tomatoes, well, everything except for the cilantro is going to go here, and you're going to have patience because this is going to take probably from 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And meanwhile, we're going to make our fried tortillas, okay? If you have leftover tortillas, those work the better. So just cut them in triangles, squares, however you like. And there you're going to place a lot of oil, and you're going to fry them. And meanwhile, I want you to see how our vegetables are starting to look like, okay? Whatever stuff gets brown first, you're going to take it out of the griddle, okay? So here is our hot oil, and we're going to fry our tortillas. This is going to take a lot of times, so just be patient and look at our veggies. These are ready. As you could see, they are brown. Very, very nice they look. And the tomatoes are going to take a little bit more time, but the more you toast this stuff, it's going to taste a lot better, okay? So after your tortillas have fried, you're going to strain them, okay? I know it looks like they are kind of burnt, but trust me, they are not. These are the best flavor you can get. If not, just give it a try and let me know in the comments. And this is tomatoes are ready. As you could see, we're going to put them in the blender. We're going to add our cilantro and the rest of the stuff, the peppers, the onions, and the garlic. We're going to add just a little bit of water, probably a cup, a little bit of salt, and we are going to blend this, okay, pretty well. Very, very, very nice, well blended. We need this salsa roja. So for the salsa, guys, we're going to take a pan and we're going to add some oil. And when the oil is hot, we're going to pour our red salsa. And you need to have also patience. Give it a try. Try to season it very well. And this is probably going to take probably from 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So just season it very well and leave this in a low boil, low heat simmering. And it's gonna, you will notice the color, as you can see here, and also the flavor, so that your chilaquiles are the best you will find ever, okay? And here in Mexico, we have we eat our chilaquiles with egg, with probably some meats. There are a lot of ways of eating chilaquiles, but this is my favorite husband's way of eating them, with some eggs, scrambled eggs, or the way you like the eggs. Anyway, it's just very different depending on the person. Like my husband likes it this way, and you will see later on how I eat them, okay? So this is gonna be the first way of making chilaquiles, because there are two different ways that you can serve them. Here are the first way. We're going to take our tortillas, and we are not soaking the tortillas in the water, because this way that I'm making it right now, your tortillas are going to be much crispier. So if you want a crispier finish, just take your tortillas and pour the salsa on top, okay? As much amount as you like. And this way, your chilaquiles are going to be a lot crispier. Then, well, you're going to place the rest of the stuff that you want to put on. Some eggs, some meat, whatever you like. But the one thing you really need to put on this is some fresh cheese, some sour cream, or fresh cream. And to finish it off, with a little bit of a onion, okay? As I said, it's just the way you want to eat them. If you don't like, let's say, onion, but just don't add it. And just we're gonna place some leaves of cilantro here just to give it a nice look. But look, this is just perfect. I hope you guys give this a try and leave me in the comments if you like this recipe to make more. This is the second way of serving chilaquiles. The second way is you're going to place all of your fried tortillas here and you're going to soak them for about 5 to 10 minutes. The heat is turned off. The one thing you really want is just for them to soak all the salsa. In terms of serving size, I recommend using 3 or 4 tortillas per person. So here we have about probably 12 tortillas because we have 3 servings here. And as you can see, the chilaquiles look a lot more soft than the other ones because they have been here soaking for 5 minutes or as much time as you want to leave them. And the same way I did, I'm going to serve this with some fresh cheese, cream, which is sour cream, and finish it off with the onion and the egg, the way you like it. And I hope you have tried this. Guys, help me to grow this page so that I can make more videos for you guys. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.